Hello everyone. This is continuation of a XPing journey. Currently we are on level 2. We've actually started off the March 2025 and I think we've done first 3 days or 4. Doesn't matter though. We're here to learn from the mistakes. It doesn't matter what's the progress, what day are we on. This is all about getting this experience. Okay, so now I think we've lost this trade. Or one, bro. If I lost this trade, I'm gonna be pissed. Let's get into next day, guys. Okay. So we started to wick. I mean, this is pretty low volatility. I don't have news. I don't know why it doesn't work. So I'm just gonna put my here. It's March. It's 5th. Okay. 9:45 news. 8:15. I don't know why does this not work sometimes. Maybe if I refresh, I don't know. It's fine. So Asia open, rejection block here. Respect this gap. Display slower. Swap this draw. I'm I don't know. My bias is unknown from now. It may look that we are actually going lower because of this. And no, it's gotta be white. Yeah, just like this. Okay. Turtle soup manipulation. Displacement lower, swap this draw. The next draw is here, and the next draw is here. See how how the 930 opens. Equal high started to displacing lower. Okay, so we're going to take this draw. So this is the draw where price could maybe reverse or make a rebalance into some 15-minute draw. Like for example this. Holy fuck! It's so snowy right now. What the hell? Guys, if you see how much snow is now dropping from the skies. Holy. I love this view. Okay. This is pretty good time to reverse now. 15-minute candle looks pretty good, but no rebalance still. I think we're just getting this equal lows. Highs. I mean, we just SMT'd it, but okay. Well, I don't see anything until I see a rebalance, a proper rebalance, or we just go lower from there. So I took this, started to displace lower. Hmm. Okay. Now, I'm not sure about the narrative. We may go lower to take this drum, or even lower. But we SMT'd, rebalance into 50, displaced, rebalanced here, started to displace lower. Maybe you want to resub this throw again. Hmm. Mm, I don't know. Let's see what happens on this draw because we might get this draw and then go higher. Or from this point we go higher because of this order block here. I really need a internal manipulation here. Okay. Okay, this looks bearish now. Let's see what another 5 seconds shows. I mean, clear displacement lower. I thought we are making a bullish structure now. But we maybe want to go here to this draw because this is clear like low resistance liquidity, or maybe this is some kind of low. Let's examine once more what we did from 9:30. 9:30 opens bullish candle, but we started to displace lower anyway. And what we did from taking this draw is going higher, and yes, to take this all of these draws here, we started to displace lower, rebalance, displaced, rebalanced here. I think we count this as a low, so we manipulated here, created an order block, and displaced lower afterwards. And we reacted off of this order block first, but we now manipulated and showed price showed that maybe wants to go lower, and I would say we may go lower from now on. And maybe look for these draws. But my stop loss will have to be so wide, like almost 100 points. And this is... if my discretion was good, maybe this entry here. But now I'm waiting for rebalance because without rebalance I'm fucked. Okay. Okay. Well, that's something. Wow. SMT again. External manipulation paired with internal. So what? My narrative was The narrative could be still bearish, but this shows me it's more than bullish than bearish. Maybe this entry could be good, even though we have manipulated here. I do believe this displacement candle isn't just fake, and this internal manipulation paired up with external one is telling us price wants to go higher. Actually, we wanted maybe to sweep this equal lows, but we swept the daily draw. On London we swept Asia. Ooh, that's tricky. That's tricky. I may be looking for bearish entries anyway. See if we get internal manipulation. Okay. That's not displacement. But we have this beautiful in volume gap. I mean, I should have entered here or here. Now it's just bad. But I do believe we are going here. And maybe one to one. Okay. I'm okay, this is beautiful. I'm very confident in this trade. Maybe we reverse off of this, but I'm very confident with going maybe lower. Okay, this candle didn't look good, but now we maybe want to go lower. Okay, well, so now we made this internal manipulation. Um, we can close this trade now, but I strongly believe we ultimately are more. Actually, I don't have clear bias, so going for one-to-ones is better, and I would got hit or edged. I would got hit. I'm closing this anyway, but yeah, that's what I expected. And now I don't know what's gonna happen. I didn't have clear view on this one because we've made I mean internal. Let's see what happens. So we rebalance into this buy side and start displacing higher. Okay, we'll see on the next day. Okay, we went here. We weak, and started this place higher. So ultimately we were bullish. At this point we had to be quick on the decisions and fast and one-to-one only because it was pretty good for one-to-ones today. Overall, not that low probable day. Okay, drop, but overall pretty good volatility. But again, this candles doesn't look really good. Really rope up. Mhm. So I have this draw and this draw. Okay, price is okay. Okay, this low probable. I mean this short could maybe work if we close below this. No, it not. I don't know. That's the time where you just don't do any stupid things. So wait, did we take the draw? No. Mm, Yeah, this is really a proper day. We just disrespect the PD race after disrespecting PD race. I just like maybe the shorts right now makes sense because we manipulated, created order block rebalance to it, paired that with a certain imbalance, we displaced lower. And maybe this could be the entry. We stop loss right there, but I'm gonna definitely the risk. And I do think we can get this draw of liquidity. But just because this is low probable day, I'm not targeting more than 1 to 1. Oh fuck. Okay. Okay. Well, this is pretty random. Maybe I didn't see something. Hmm. Hmm. We've rebalanced into this clean buy side and start displacing higher. Okay. Okay. Give me a minute, guys. My room smells so fucking much. I just need to open the window. It's just crazy, bro. I was locking this case like for like 2 days or some shit. Wait, I need to get my clothes. I mean, not my clothes on. Like I don't know how this shit is called. Wait, I'm gonna try to translate this. I don't remember how this. Uh, bathrobe, bathrobe, Ah, bathrobe. I didn't hear this kind of word my entire life. I mean, this day is. I don't know if this is rule purple again. It's Monday, no news and low. Like, okay, we displaced lower. I was gonna say no volatility, but there's some kind of volatility. Not gonna lie. Okay, so we tap this gap and displaced lower. Took this draw, started to displace lower. So respect this gap, manipulation, displacement, rebalance, displacement, rebalance into something, manipulation, clean, rebalance, displacement, rebalance into this by sell side, displacement. Hmm. I'm not gonna do. Okay, this is very good because we SMT'd now. We rebalanced in this week. We can now maybe expect price going lower. See what's the kind of closure. Fuck. Okay. Maybe this entry. I'm not gonna. Okay, wait. Okay, never mind. Maybe okay, internal SMT. Don't give a fuck. Okay, we go higher. Take this draw. So where did we actually stop on this week's again? It's pretty interesting. Rebalance, displacement. Fuck, bro. I don't want to go longs because we actually. Okay, actually, we may count this as a manipulation or some fucking shit. But I do need to wait for yes. Okay, so there's the internal manipulation right now, and you need to know what's the narrative, bro. But the fact that we are doing this weird shit, we should have swept this high much earlier, and we did do that. So we maybe look for this some kind of. Hmm. I just need a rebalance. I mean, this counts as rebalance. Okay, if we disrespect this volume gap, I would be really happy to go shorts. Yeah, I'm gonna do this. I know this is gonna hit. We could have reverse of internal manipulation, like from here, but we target the draws. Or the fact that we hit that is because we have bearish narrative. If we wouldn't have bearish narrative, I maybe be fucked. I would maybe be fucked. Yeah. hmm So the higher time frame really tells us it's very bearish, but it's daily. It's daily draw on the daily draw, so we don't. Um, you can have that in mind, but you won't go there on this kind of day. But we never know. So internal manipulation, displacement, like how have this PT array we can reverse off of, or this draw. I have more bearish than bullish narrative. So we've SMT'd right now. Um, so the draw. Hmm. What I need to have is like wait a bit for sure, and then look to trade. And now we chop very much. Okay. Not saying we're bullish. Still respect this gap. Mm, 50% rebalance. Mm. Macro opens in 4 minutes, and we clearly displaced, but I don't know if price seeks anything more right now because it's doing okay. This looks pretty good because we did respect the volume gap, and I think it's buy side. No, sell side here. 1 hour sell side. No, 15, sorry. Uh, hmm. Yes, it's moving pretty slow. Um, I'm really, I do really need a market structure shift or something like that. We've manipulated here, but it's okay now. Does look okay. Okay. Shit, bro. I think we're more bullish, but it's very tricky. Yeah. Mm. So displaced higher. We have any rebalance. Maybe this could count as a PXLH manipulation. Create this volume gap, rebalanced, respected this order block, and maybe this entry, some discretion here. It's about having the narrative, proper narrative. I think I didn't have one. I should have changed it after this displacement candle, I think. So do this draw, displace lower. Mhm. So we do have manipulation here, displacement, rebalance, displacement in this gap. Mhm. Okay, this looks bullish, but the news 8:30. I mean, I'm pretty sure this gap will get filled, but we still respect um, bullish PDRs. Okay. Yes, did fill this gap, but okay. hmm S&T, respect this order block displacement. Manipulation 50 of this week. Accented all of these laws, and we do respect this for now. Okay. Okay, this looks shit. That's the point right here is yes, it's accepting this law, but from my thinking, from like experience type shit thinking, it's like we always will fill this gap sooner or later. But no. Okay, this is pretty good. So we went there. Okay. Order block, I guess. 50. Ooh. Maybe 1 to 1. This looks pretty bullish, guys. Um, fuck, bro. Maybe 1 to 1 here. This is tricky for me. I will go for this short just because okay, but 9:30 opens bullish. We go to this wick, we soup this, and this place lower, rebalance, respecting this PDRA, and we displace lower. Candle closure is here, but but ES went too far. ES went really far down. But do we really care if we do respect the PDRAs? Let's try. Maybe I'm wrong. Okay. If ES is going so low, we don't really have to like think of it as a confluence. And Q works by itself, and ES is too, but they could correlate a bit, not every time. And maybe, I mean, they do correlate because, as you can see, we had this bearish narrative right here, and we still went lower on ES. So yeah, sometimes when ES is going lower, we don't really have to count this as a confluence that we should think it's bullish narrative right now. The most important thing is what is going on NQ, and that's what we have to look on while trading. ES is important too, but as we can see, it never it's never the case when the ES is going lower and NQ is like in this point stuck. Okay, nice little hat. Okay, pretty solid. Solid. Okay, nice. Dollar suicide. Hook you up my no bitch. Suicide dope bitch. Okay, okay. We start to rebalance after SAT here. That's where we are now. Okay. I'm more bearish, but this is like the temporary thing. I do want to see an external high or low being taken, and for me this external one is here. Where we didn't have any, actually we had SMT and we started this place higher. Respect this gap, manipulation, rebalance. Respect this PDRA, and now we're displacing higher after manipulating here. We didn't give a fuck, and now we maybe want to go higher. Okay, we go lower. Okay, solid. Manipulation here. Rebalance displacement. And we are still in this gap after manipulation. This could be ATL, where should we go? Or we don't and it's just bullish my narrative. I'm right now bearish and to look for any bullish things. Maybe I want I just need some manipulation. So maybe that's where I could look for trades, like shorts to this draw. Let's see on the news. 8:30. Oh, okay, so we feel the 8:30. Mm-hmm. S&T. That looked very clean to me. SMT this draw. And okay, well, do we have some volume balance? We disrespected this volume balance. SMT respected this gap. I think this just rebalanced into 50% of this week. Mm, and overall my narrative should be bearish to this draw. Um, and the confluences here are pretty promising. We do we need to have any rebalance? We clearly rebalance off of this order block, but we start this place even lower. But it's 50 seconds candle closure, so I'm gonna be patient on it. But if I don't enter it now, my RR would be pretty bad. So do I have to be assured this is gonna be draw is gonna be taken? Oh, shit. Higher time frame really is really bearish. From this point here, we look like we want to take this. I don't want to like have some kind of like I don't want to attach to this draw, but it sounds like we are trying to get it, and just like by the seeing of this confluence being respected, this confluence being respected, looks like we are doing something like 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 the sequence of a bearish continuation, no? Till this draw. Because we respect this PDRS and ES is swooping for us. So this is good. So if I do place the trade right now, I'm not risking too much, so I'm gonna do it. And I'm not very sure about this trade, so I'm not gonna risk 800 just for. Maybe my stop loss should be a bit above. To be okay, if we go there, we go there. But I'm gonna do there. Set it there. If we rebalance this order block, and if we just want to go this place higher, we displace higher, and our trade is invalid. But we have everything to. We have everything actually. A high time frame shows us everything. Maybe this internal structure doesn't tell us anything, but sometimes you gotta be a bit more discretionary about the trades. Okay, this okay, it's doesn't look very good. Mm. Ah, shit. Respect this. Ah, Okay, I'm holding it. Okay. But this is the macro time. So we rebalance into PXL and this place? No. Okay. Create order block. Created an order block. Uh, let's see if we get an internal soup. Oh, we've got it. I mean, it counts, but I wouldn't count it as manipulation. This looks more like a sorry, as a manipulation. Holy fuck. Sorry, sorry. Okay, internal manipulation, rebalance, displacement. Hmm. Is this premature to entering off of this candle? Hmm. It would have been. Fuck. What is this? What is this, bro? Ah, fuck. I need to look for a rebalance. I'm not entering anywhere here. Maybe this. Yeah. Okay. Next day. Solid. I just gotta do it. Okay, I'm gonna do purple because we don't want our little guy to like blend with the colors. Let's see. hmm SMT bullish, bullish, bullish. Swap this draw. Bearish, bearish, bearish. Still have this draw, but we are still bearish, bearish, bearish. Have this sell side. Um, okay. Does look that this is our draw with equal lows. Okay. Let's see what happens. Actually, let's see what is the news. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Oh, we know we are about to make an SMT. See if we react off of it. Okay, doesn't look like it. Took the draw. Entries here. I do not believe this is like the proper entries for me. Um, because I think I wouldn't trade here like this, and I would think we may go lower. And this is oh it made an SMT. Okay, that's maybe why we stopped on this order block here. That's pretty logical. Internal manipulation, displacement. You have this PD right here. Other than that, I'm more bearish. There's no draws here. I do believe we want to go lower. OSMT. I don't know if ES wants to take the draw. We took it, but this is what ES likes to do. Okay, see if the PXH works. No. Maybe one to ones to here to there to this. Yeah, I'm trying it. I'm trying this. One to one. I do believe that Charles are valid here because we have taken every draw here and we filled this sell side imbalance and we didn't have proper manipulation other than rebalance. Here we SMT'd and I don't know if yes wants to fill to get the draw. But before that, we maybe can look for rebalance trade and rebalance here into this order block, rebalance, displacement, speed and efficiency. Okay, nice. But we want to go higher, maybe. Okay. I mean, this trade wouldn't be so bad because ES wants to go on this draw and we want to go to 700. Okay, I'm risking 165. Just okay. Okay, got edged. But we still go higher, right? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. We still go higher. Maybe manipulation to go on higher. Okay. Right. Manipulation. Oh. We respect the 50% of the wick. Yeah, I mean, trade one to one. One to one would have worked easily. Good. I just gotta give the XP for me. I mean, this is knowledge. This is experience. Fuck. I hate this color. What the fuck is this color? Let me get the shittier one. Actually, this color banks. Oh, this color banks. Let me get fucking gold. Yeah, like we have night here. These are like let's count this. These are as stars. Okay. Wait. Okay. Clean. Center here. Wait, I think Never mind. S&T, pretty clean. Rebalance into PXL. Rebalance into this sell side. I mean, we could be good to go. Maybe you want to go to this draw or this rejection block. See what the 930 opens shows. Mhm. Okay, this looks very strong. Um, so even though we pushed so much lower, I do see that we displace with speed and efficiency. Rebalance into fucking volume imbalance and sell side imbalance and displace lower. So maybe this could be the entry, like this. This was pretty logical draw, and I'm sure the stop loss, but I want to have like the good RR. Yeah, this is bad. This is bad. No, I mean, I wouldn't do that. I think I will. I would wait for this draw to be taken. Now wait for something. Have my internal manipulation paired with external. Okay, so we wanted to go lower, and I think we want to push like there. Nah, no chance. I'm more. I don't know. Let's see what the price action is doing. Do we have any draws here? There's no draw. The next draw is here. Maybe he has some. Oh yeah, he stopped here. Disrespected this. I think I want to go lower. Now we rebalance into this gap. I think. I just want to see what the price action shows. Base my entry off of this. This is the game plan. Oh, I'm waiting. I'm waiting until we get the internal. Okay, we don't get it. This entry, I do believe is not so okay. Oh, did have fucking SMT there. Fuck me. Okay, my bad. This entry was beautiful. This here. Yeah. Hello? Man, this FX replay is pissing me off, bro. Maybe the news are fixed. Fuck you, news. My fucking god. Mm-hmm. 19th. Okay. This is clear draw of liquidity. Now, This is the bullish draw. Okay. Manipulation, internal manipulation. Volume imbalance here. If I want to short here, I'd say it makes sense. Hmm. Actually, does it? I'd like to see some rebalance, but we don't get it. Okay, this is pretty nice. Shit. I think I've missed it. If I do, I mean, I just so believe it's gonna run. I just believe we are going here, but we could still rebalance off of this. But if my thought process is wrong, it's just fine. This is true. We have tapped into this and started to displace higher. It's true. We've tapped into this gap. So what should I do to validate this trade? Actually, we could go higher. This is, but why wouldn't we go higher? So first of all, internal structure looks pretty solid. It's not, um, fuck, bro. This entry could have been solid, bro. Or even here, something like this. Because now I'm risking a bit too much. And yeah, let's see. Let's see if we go here and go lower, or we just go lower. Oh, okay. So we wanted to. I do think we're going. Okay, I was wrong. I was wrong. Solid. So solid one-to-ones here. If we trade right there, go for this low resistance liquidity draws. Maybe I should have like 2 minis, just full banks, free money. I wouldn't call this as a XP increase. This was pretty shit for me. I should not do this kind of do these kind of trades. It's very risky. And then not every draw is guaranteed, guys. Not every draw is guaranteed. So if I'm late to the move, just don't trade. Just leave the charts. Live your own life. Go to the gym or some shit. And I'm treating backtesting as a real um, funded account. Um, yeah, as a funded account. Maybe now is the time for this draw, but we don't never know. Internal manipulation, rebalance, displacement lower. Hmm. Bro, this page pisses me off. Don't do this to me, please. Don't do these things on me. Okay, so we've swept the draw, tapped into the 1 hour sell side. Okay, internal manipulation. Disrespect. Okay, I'm not doing anything. Let's see if we get market structure share. Hmm. It looks like want to go higher, but I don't have really internal manipulation. Except from this, if we do have, I need to see something more. But I do think that real move is not happening right now, so um, it's fine. If you are bullish, of course. And now this looks pretty okay, maybe. Okay, this looks shit. Oh my god, bro. Did I miss any entries? Maybe this. Yeah, this whole thing run. Let me think about this. Entry here, targeting this all of this draw for 200 points. Yeah, this is pretty low resist liquidity, but I was too scared to. I mean, not too scared. I mean, not like convinced into going longs, even though we swept these draws. Hmm, fuck. 7 days left. Okay. I think I skipped some days. Okay. I've seen the the chart, so it's just let's just let it be. Wow. Now we are bearish. Or what? Okay. SMT. See if we do something about it. Fuck me. Okay. Mhm. I'm more bearish, but I see only bullish conferences, so I think I will miss my entry. Really slowed down. No manipulation. Rebalance. SMT. And we go higher. Wow. Chopping around, bro. This entry here. Valid as fuck. But doesn't feel... Okay, this feels right. Bro, I didn't see it. What the fuck? So internal manipulation here. Rebalancing this volume balance. Rebalancing this bison balance. 945 opens. Okay, we see, but we still displace higher. And fucking bang on entry. Right here. Even hit 1 to 1. But we hit like... We hit 73 points. I believe we are going high, but we don't know. We don't know. We don't know. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Yeah, so it was a bit choppiness, but bro, give me this XP. Holy. This is really relaxing thing, you know? If you are bored from backtesting, you can do this and just be happy. Nice. 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 days left. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Here. I'm very bearish. Swap this draw if we start to display slower. Okay, I don't see anything yet. No internal manipulation other than liquidity sweep, but I'm waiting. Shit. Okay, macro. Mm, okay, so we disrespected this gap. This is their next target. Or this. Manipulation and rebalance displacement. I mean, what do we need more? Other than seeing the SMT. Fuck, this entry was fucking good. So good. I wanna try that, bro. Okay, this is the next target, bro, right? This could be the next target, but I mean, I would like to see what happens here. So if I place my stop loss right here, if I lose, do I lose? I do lose this. Fuck me. Reacted off of this. Oh, this looks very bullish now. Okay. Hmm. 1 to 1 works. Let me see rebalance. I want to see rebalance. SMT. Respecting this order block. Disrespecting all of the PDRs. Reacted off of 50% of this wick, of this candle. Displacement higher. Hmm. I do want to see what happens here. Oof. Oof, 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 oof. Ooh. Hmm. Hmm. 930 opens weird. Mind played, go higher, go lower, go higher. Sweep this high. Displace lower. Respect displace with lower. We're in this gap right now and start to displace higher. Stairs to the heaven. And now we rebalance into another block, disrespecting this side. And I need to know my narrative, but it's because my narrative is right now very bearish because of this gap. This. But manipulation here, we take on this high, we rebalance into this 1 hour buy side imbalance, and we start to displace higher. Hmm, pretty, pretty interesting situation for me, and I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Whoa, so much snow. Wow. You wouldn't believe this, guys. You wouldn't believe this. Okay, so we do respect these volume balances. I mean, the buy isn't so stupid. Yeah, it's about the narrative. Now seeing this, I want to say we go here. Could rebalance into this 50% of the wick. We rebalanced here, so I'm not risking too much, so my stop loss here, valid. And let's see if we displace higher or we just want to go lower after, I don't know what. So we SMT this and this. I mean, what's this? Okay. Um, we SMT'd it. Mhm, 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 mhm. So my bias change should have changed from this point and this trade. Banks. This trade's so fucking good. Didn't have the rebalance though. This was the rebalance and this was the entry here. Pretty solid trade would have been, no? But this trade is good too because I mean we could rebalance here, but we did disrespect these volume balances. We did create two volume balances. And respected these two volume balances just as this 50% of the candle. Sure, we closed really bad, but this was the confidence. I waited for this candle to displace above the 50% of the order block to validate my entry. Yet, I don't think this is too so good, like that good. I think this entry here, or this entry was pretty fucking good. Because everything, manipulation, rebalance, displacement. Actually, I don't think anything was good here. And let me think about this. Hmm. But yeah, SMT and I mean this was good. Valid as fuck, bro. I do think this was very good, this entry. 1 to 1 would have hit easily, but we wanted more. What car now? Give me that. We save daily. Draw here. Start to display slower, disrespecting this buy side. Now SMT here. displacement lower. We have this. We took the draw. Order block, displacement higher. Oof, that's weird for me. Okay, this is the gap I looked for. Yeah. Okay, that's not good for bearish. Maybe we want to go here, but we went there multiple times, like on 9 o'clock we went there. I'm waiting. I'm not longing. Hmm. Mhm. Let me see what happens on this buy side, because this shorts looks good, but I do want to see if we had market structure. So rebalance and displacement maybe. Okay. Mm, we could rebalance here. I wanted to set my stop loss here, so I'm waiting. Valid. Okay. So we reacted off of this order block actually. Okay. So we don't give a fuck. Fuck, I missed. Entry here. Okay. This entry here. Wait, how many points is this? I'm targeting this as if my entry was there. I don't give a fuck that my error is bad. Okay, nice. Oh shit. I smell smoke. Yeah, I think smoke. Yeah, because someone is um. Wait, sorry guys, I can't like talk in English right now. Uh, burns in the fireplace? Nah, this is straightforward translation. I don't know how to call this. I just it just smells with a smoke, not pollution, but like from the fireplace, no? 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 days left. Okay. I went waiting till this draw gets taken. Okay. Internal manipulation. Order book here. Fuck! I was thinking about Sentry. No day trading. This day was pretty shit. I know it. We're doing this. Longs here? No. So I wanted to sweep this draw. So I fill this gap. Okay. I'm waiting. Maybe shorts here. Ooh. Okay. Maybe this entry. If we get rebalance, I'm most definitely going longs. But I think we're not getting this. Maybe. Okay, nice. Candle flip. Maybe we'll do this. Yeah. Pretty simple. Maybe should have sized more. Solid. What? What about this day? What? No! I've seen it. Fuck me. Okay, entries. Pretty bearish, I'd say, first sight. Okay, 9:30 opens, sweeps the draw, rebalance. Fuck, this entry was BT. Okay, let's see. 28th, Monday. Give me Monday. Oh, okay. So I didn't have Monday on, like, I didn't set it for Monday. Okay, guess it's fine. Right, let me see analytics. Maybe above 50% would be okay. Oh, fuck. S- It would have been so banging if it was 676, but unfortunately didn't get it. It's fine though. We've got our profitable win rate and expectancy profit factor 2.16. Pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah. Um, Not much to trade in this month. I've missed every Friday, it turns out. Huh. The most probably is Monday for me. What? Where did I lose on Monday? Oh, maybe there or here. Most probably for me is Wednesday. But I made least money on this on Wednesdays. How many? Like 100,000, 1,200. Okay, okay, maybe not. But here, yeah, on Mondays I made the most money. Okay, this is for you, FX replay. When I click um, to skip 10 sets, it doesn't happen. When I want to see news on month, it doesn't appear. Order execution doesn't work when I click order. So much issues actually. Yeah, replay issues. Time frame loading issues. Yeah. Um, okay. No problem. Let FX replay. Uh, no. Make FX replay great again. But yeah, we finish off the month with 66 and 67.67% of the win rate. The beginning wasn't too, I'd say, like smooth, but we've managed to scale a bit more. We've had this loss. This was a bit big loss for me. 900 isn't optimal, but yeah, last days were very successful. And let me fill this gap. This is very special moment because this means we're entering next session with third level. Woo! Let's go. And then wait, maybe let me do something like this. 66.67 win rate. This will be the thumbnail, guys. And like maybe here. Nah, nah, it's fine. It's fine. It will be on the next video. Okay, guys, thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Okay, take care.